Hello everyone, I am Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, giving you a closer look at the Fender Flare kit from Tusk. So we all know that ripping around, having a good time on our side-by-sides, it is a blast, but it becomes a little less fun when you start to have mud, dirt, and other debris that's flung into the cab from your tires, especially if you don't have lower doors or full doors installed on your machine. So a great remedy for that is the Fender Flare kit coming from Tusk. As you can see, we've got it installed here on this XP4 1000. Razors are kind of known for the wheel sticking out quite a bit farther than the wheel wells themselves. So it's a great remedy, again, just to block any mud or debris from flying into the cab. Now what's great about these is they're inexpensive and they install really easily. So they're just made from good, hard, durable plastic. When it comes to install, they come with all the instructions, they come with all the hardware that you're gonna need for mounting. Just one thing you do wanna keep in mind, it does require to drill some holes in your fenders. But once you've done that, they just line up, you install the screws or the bolts, and you're good to go. It honestly just takes a couple minutes. Now once you have these mounted up, they actually add 7 inches of width to the front and then 9 inches of width to the rear at the widest point of the fender. So if you're looking for a great way, again, to just knock down that mud, that rock, debris, whatever it might be, this is an awesome solution. So to pick yours up, you can click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. If you have any questions, just write those below. Remember, these come in a set of 4. So you just need one set, you're gonna have all your wheel wells covered. If you guys like this video and you wanna see more like it, just do yourself a favor, make sure you click and subscribe. And as always, orders over 75 bucks are gonna ship free. I'm Chase at Rocky Mountain, see you on the trails.